trigonometric ratio of some multiple angles. Now we have gone through the multiple angles. Now what was the first one? First one was sine 2 theta is equal to twice of sine theta cos theta. Okay. Now what will be the sum multiple angle? It will be, now replacing theta with theta by 2. Now what we will be getting? We will be getting sine 2 times theta by 2 is equal to twice of sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Okay. So what we can write it? We can write it sine theta is equal to twice of sine theta upon 2 cos theta upon 2. So this is the first part for the sum multiple angle. Then number 2. Number 2 we were having cos 2 theta. This was equal to what? Cos square theta minus sin square theta. Now doing systematically, doing this first part with, now again replacing theta with theta by 2. Now what we are getting? Cos 2 times theta by 2 is equal to cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. Okay. So cos theta is what? Cos theta is equal to cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. Second important concept for cos 2 theta. Now for cos 2 theta, we were having 3 different types of formulas. So number 1 we have done it. Now number 2, it was cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay. So now this becomes cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. Number 3, cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta, and again replacing cos theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. Okay. Now the remaining corollaries, what we have done it? Now we are having sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 2. Okay. So what we can write it here? Sin theta, sin square, first of all theta by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos theta upon 2. Okay. Similarly, cos square theta by 2 is equal to 1 plus cos theta upon 2. So we have to be careful, we have to learn all these things which we have done it. Okay. So how many different things we have done it? Number 1, this part. Then number 2, for cos theta, sin square theta by 2 minus sin square theta, cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. Then cos theta again 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1, again cos theta 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2, and sin square theta by 2 and cos square theta by 2. Now further, when we are going for tans formula, there we are going to use what is sin theta by 2 and cos theta by 2.